In today's video, we're going to look at how to make money on YouTube Shorts without making videos 2021. Now, you may or may not have seen these type of videos on YouTube. If you have a look here, you'll see how they're, just a vertical video. And with a YouTube Short, they need to be less than 30 seconds long. Now, I've just did a search and found this channel here, The Life of Jeannie. I don't know her. I just did a quick search. Now, if you have a look, she's built this channel just on shorts, right? Now, what's the advantage of YouTube Shorts? Well, firstly, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. You'll get notified when I post new videos. It also lets YouTube know that you like these type of videos. Now, also, if you wait till the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get some free landing page or sales funnel software. So you won't want to miss this. It's valued at, around $300 per month. You would normally pay for it. You can get it lifetime access for free. So you'll want to wait till the end of this video. Now, as you can see, as I said, Jeannie Weeny, no idea who she is, but she is actually blowing up her channel. Now, they're little 30-second videos. Now, let's have a look. I'm going to sort by the most popular. Now, just check this out. This is crazy. Now, most people are not, even that are doing this, are not monetizing it. I'm going to show you how you can make, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month or more very easily. Have a look at this. How to get a free full makeover. Now, she's doing bling sort things. 1 month ago, 11 million views. Let's have a quick look. So this is nothing startling. Now, don't worry if you don't want to appear on videos. I'm going to show you how you can use other videos for free to make your channel and then to be able to monetize it. I've turned it down so I don't get copyright in case there's any music and that in the background. So look, it's had a million thumbs up. Crazy stuff. And what she's doing the same thing, but she's actually promoting Amazon affiliate products. Now, I'm going to show you how you can get paid way more than what Amazon affiliate program offers you. Now, here's some more. I just put in funny dogs and have a look at these. 29 million views. This is 3 years ago, but we're not going to be too concerned about that. See, this one here is a short. It's been made into a short. Now I'm going to show you where you can get access to videos like this for free and be able to reuse them as your own and monetize them to make money from it. And here's another. I just did a search here for shorts, and here, smart parenting hacks. It doesn't. 3 months ago, 82 million views. Have a look at that. And another one, Tofu the Corgi. I found this when I was doing a search. 1.3 million views 2 months ago. 3 million. Let me just sort that by popularity. All right, so you get an idea of the sorts of videos these are. Now remember Jeannie Weeny's YouTube channel? Have a look here. We're over at Social Blade, and look, this is the growth of her channel. She's now 34,000 ranked YouTube channel. 229 million views in the last 30 days. So as I said, this not many people know about this. And you got the opportunity to take advantage of it. And even a lot of the people that do know about it are not monetizing it; they're just using it for entertainment. You got the opportunity to entertain and to make money from it, and without even making your own videos. So let's have a look at where do we get these videos. All right, so we're over here at YouTube. We're going to get the same videos that we're going to use in our YouTube Shorts off YouTube. Now, you can use whatever category you want. I'm just choosing dogs because they get really good views, and you want to, when you're thinking about it, you want to be able to find something that you're able to monetize with a product. All right, so I've just typed in funny dogs. Now I'll just do that again. Now there are some filters that we can use, and we want to search for Creative Commons videos. And now if you look over here where it says filters, we're going to click on filters. Now Creative Commons videos are videos that you're able to use, that the owner of the video has given you the right to use as your own, and you want to give them acknowledgement. So click on Creative Commons and all the Creative Commons videos will load. So you can see some videos here. These are actually shorts, some of them, and you can scroll through them. Now what you want to do is you're going to go through here and you just want to check that the filtering, that it actually is a Creative Commons video. So you click on in the description, and you want to just go and double check that the license says Creative Commons license, attribution license, which means reuse allowed. Now I'll just click on that to tell you, show you what it is, so you can check that out at your own leisure. But as long as it's listed as Creative Commons, you can reuse it. There are many filters, and you might also, if you want to find the top videos, but this doesn't have to be the top video. You could also, another filter there, you can also search by, sort by view count, so Creative Commons and view count. I wouldn't worry about the duration, because I'm going to show you how you can take one video and make several videos and edit it without knowing any editing skills or needing any particular software. All right, so that's actually showing cats. So, and that's right, you might put in funny pets. So there, out of curiosity, just let's look at this with a cat. The other thing you can do is, now this is a Creative Commons video. You could also click on the channel name here, and they've probably got a lot more videos as well. When you look at this one's called Cute Buddy, so it's all about their buddy dogs. So if you click on that, it will give you other videos as well. So now we want to be able to download this video. What you need to do now is go over to this, well, firstly, go over to this website here, and what it's called Y2Mate. It's a YouTube video downloader. Go back to your video. Now all you do here is click on Convert, and it will download it to your computer. I just thought I'd show you this one, savefrom.net. If you're going to be doing this and you want to be downloading a lot of videos, you can either go here or you can install the add-on, which you can do it straight from your YouTube video. So just click on install, and as you can see here in the video picture down here, it shows you actually download. All right, so we're over at this free website called Canva. Canva is a really great website. There's a paid version and a free version. We're just going to focus on the free version. You can make YouTube thumbnails, you can make all sorts of things. Have a look at it at your own time. So we're just going to be using the free version. All right, so we want to go and search for mobile video. This will give us the right format for our YouTube shorts. So we just go here to this option, create a blank mobile video. This will put it in the right format. It's a vertical video like you would see on your phone, which is the format that you need to use to upload to YouTube Shorts. And that's what the blank looks like before. Here it is here. Click on that, then open, and it will upload it. So now we just click on the video, drag it across here, and we're going to need to resize it. Now all you do is you drag the video around to fill that spot there. So you don't want any white edges, otherwise it will show on your video. My software that I'm recording with is just slowing this down a bit. And here it is resized. Now what we also want to do here is we go over here into the elements. We want to put some text on here. So we're going to click on text when that loads, and we're going to drag that on here because, you know, we're wanting to have a call, what we call a call to action. Type in. So I've been messing around with that, as you can see. So I've typed in with this, add a subheading, then I capitalize it. Dog training tips, click link below. You can move this around because white on white doesn't look good, or it doesn't show up. You move that around, change the color of the text to highlight it, go up here, click it in the palette. So the next thing we want to do is up here. So this is over a minute, this video. So what we need to do is click on the scissors here. It'll give us this up here. What we need to do now, I'll just quieten that. What we need to do now, we want to bring this back to say 20 seconds. 20 seconds, 30 seconds. It can't be any more than, and it depends on the video. So you want to edit, finish it where it's going to work. But you don't want to make it any more than 30 seconds. A minute is the requirement, the maximum requirement for YouTube Shorts. But so let's just leave it here. Click on done. Now we want to download the video to our computer. We click on download. Oh, firstly, we go over here and save the file. Just go save. Just click save. Now we go to download. I jump the gun. We want to download the video as an MP4 is the best. Click on download. Suggested. It might try and download it in another format. Then we download that to our computer. It's just taking a moment. All right, the next thing we need to do is upload our video to YouTube. So we can just click on, it'll actually say upload. Now, if you haven't heard of ClickBank, it's an affiliate website. It has over 3,500 products. It's free to sign up. I'm not going to go through that today. Just go over here, click on sign up, and you put in a few details, and then you will be given an account. You go over to the marketplace. Now, as you can see, there are lots of different categories. I've already chosen a product, but look, if you're not doing dogs, of course, you choose a product that's relevant, because that's the thing, you want to choose something that's relevant to your video. So as you can see, I've just typed in dog training and hit the magnifier glass. Now what Bitly is a URL shortener. It also masks your link. So all you do is create, and I'd sign up for this, it's free, because it also tracks the number of clicks you get on a link. Click on link, create a link, paste that ugly looking link that you were given, and then as you can see, this big ugly link here, it gives you a nice neat link like that. You will copy that, come back to your description. So just a quick look, this is the sales page for the product. Now it converts really well, so anyone that clicks on that through your unique link that you're going to use, you'll receive, and they purchase, you'll receive on average $31. Now put a bit of a description, not very much, just a few keywords. You can put some tags, and the tags will be, as you go through here, firstly you want to put a thumbnail. Now you can choose one of the thumbnails that YouTube chooses for you, or you can make a thumbnail over at Canva. Now if it's a new channel, you'll need to verify your account, which just means putting in a telephone number. Otherwise you can go with, sometimes it creates some really good thumbnails. but you can create all sorts of things. Have a look at, sort of as a rule of thumb, have a look at some of the thumbnails that these videos are using and model them. And you go through, it's not for kids, no age restriction. And then when you go to show more, that's where you'll put tags. So this is where you would put your hashtags. Hashtags are just like keywords. So you might use cute puppy tricks, cute puppy, funny puppy. The other way you can find these is by, I use a YouTube plugin called TubeBuddy. There is also another one called vidIQ, which you can get for free. And if there are other videos there, it will give you the keywords and the tags that they use, and you can use them as well. Then make sure your video is public. I'm not going to publish this because I haven't completed it. And the category doesn't matter all that much. Just go to click next. It'll tell you, it'll do a copyright check for you, and you won't worry about end screens or cards. And then you will publish it to public. There are a couple of other options there. If you're uploading a lot of videos and you want to schedule them, you can schedule them out to a day or whatever it is in advance. Now that's how to make money on YouTube Shorts without making videos in 2021 and beyond. Now, if you've got questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I always answer your questions. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of these videos. I make videos on how to make money online, affiliate marketing, internet marketing. Now, I said at the beginning of the video, if you waited till the end, I would give you access to some free landing page software. In the left-hand corner of the video, there'll be a thumbnail, a pink coloured thumbnail which says lifetime access. If you click on that thumbnail, it'll take you to another video. In that video, in the description, in the link, there is a link to get the free landing page software. Click on that. You do not need a credit card, and you'll get lifetime access. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video, because I love making these videos. And leave your comments below, and that's how to make money on YouTube Shorts without making YouTube videos.